gosh, we're at it again. You're missing something. I think that's what you're gesturing. You just got a hair hat.
I'm hatless.
Hatless Jaco.
Hatless Jaco in the building.
Big haircut. You are officially big haircut.
I gotta show it off.
All right, big haircut. We're on our bronze UI UX, which is our design and experience badge. Yeah, thank you. I'm Justice.
And I'm Jaco.
All right, big haircut. Question 1.
Question 1. How are websites/apps/games designed?
How are they designed? Well, people like us nerds, they sit in a room, much like this one, and they talk about it. Yeah, they have to start somewhere. It starts with people talking. In a room talking.
That's how everything good ever happened.
Yeah. 2 people get in a room and 9 months later,
they come up with a game.
Yes.
Question 2. Is it possible to design a bad website?
Oh, yes it is. Yes, it is quite possible to design a bad website. I don't think people do it on purpose. Maybe somebody somewhere does, but
Trolling.
Yeah, you can design a bad website, that's for sure.
All right, question 3. Which of these makes a website bad? I'm going to hit you with a few examples.
Don't hit me, but you can tell me something.
Slow loading. Loads really fast. Has pictures.
Oh, well, I like pictures and I like websites that load fast. So what makes a website bad? Slow loading.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't like slow loading pages.
All right, let's see if I can get you on question 4.
Try me.
Which of these makes a website bad? Works on multiple devices. Simple and clean design. Too confusing.
That one.
Yes.
Yeah, when a website is too confusing, it's bad. I want my website to work on my device. I want it to be nice and clean, but yeah.
Those are good things.
Yeah, those are good. Those are good things.
All right, last try. Let's see if I can get you. Question 5.
Let's go.
Which of these makes a website bad? Good navigation. Hard to find what you want. Kind of opposite there. Or cookies.
Yeah, well, cookies are all right. Yum, 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 yum.
No.
That's the Cookie Monster, if you didn't know. Good navigation is good, I'd say. What makes a website bad is when it's hard to find what you want.
Bad navigation.
Hence, bad. That is really bad.
That is bad. I hate this website. Question 6. What do we call the people who try to design a good website/app/game?
Yeah, so those people that are sitting in those rooms trying to figure out, how to make a good website or how to make a good app or a good game, we call those UI / UX designers. That's right, yeah. UI and UX designers. They're 2 different types of, designers. There's the UI designers and the UX designers.
Alrighty. Question 7. What do UX,
user experience
designers focus on?
So the user experience designers, those UX people, try to improve how a user or somebody, who's using their website or app might feel through the process, right? So imagine you're really hungry. You're so hungry, and I know he's hungry.
I'm starving.
He is so starving. And you really want to order a burrito. That's what he said he wanted. He said,
I do want a burrito.
He said he wanted a burrito. So imagine somebody locally had a burrito store, and Jaco went online to their website. How do you think Jaco would feel if he had to fill out 100 forms and it took 15 minutes? How would Jaco feel about that website?
I just want a burrito.
He would be sad and hungry and mad. So the user experience person would think, you know what? I want Jaco to feel like it was fast, to feel like it was easy, and that his food is going to be fresh and ready. And when he orders that burrito, he's going to love it. from start to finish, that whole experience. So that's what the user experience people do.
All right, let's go to the next question.
All right.
Question 8. What do UI
User interface.
designers focus on?
All right, so a little bit different. The user interface designers spend a lot of time improving what users see and what they do on the website, right? So a user interface person might choose to say, I want to display a delicious looking burrito that's cut in half, that's slightly skewed so you can see all of the delicious things inside of it. And I want Jaco to be able to click on a burrito and it will, spit out a big list of delicious ingredients. And so, yeah, the user interface people kind of tend to focus on improving what a user actually sees with their eyes and what they do with their clicking and their tapping and stuff.
I'll take a number 9, carne asada burrito. Yeah, they can't do number 9 because there's only 8 questions, and we got them all right.
That's good. I think that whoever designed this experience did a great job because I feel great.
I feel really good.
I feel smarter.
Yeah, I feel hungry still.
Yeah, hungry
wrong
and
website.
smarter. You're hungry for a burrito. I'm hungry for
smarter.
knowledge.
Anyways, best of luck on your quiz taken. Hope you guys pass like us nerds.
Yeah.
And we'll moving on.
Moving on. We are now cows.
We are now cows. Moving on to our silver UI/UX designer and experience badge. Right?
Yeah, that's where we're going. So we'll see you there. My nerds, I'm Justice.
And I'm Jaco. You guys stay Luke and Isalak and Idern and do